trees. Without them, we would not survive. They recycle our waste and provide us with a fresh source of oxygen. Trees are an essential part of our human survival. Planting a tree correctly will ensure the tree's longevity and survival. Today we're going to look at the steps involved in planting a bald and burlap tree. So let's look at the first step. First step is to make sure that it's the right season. Best season to plant a tree is spring or autumn. This is because the temperature is moderate. It's not going to be too extreme into the hot or cold range. So once you've determined that it's the correct season to plant the tree, next thing to do is dig your hole. First, before you dig your hole, actually you want to pre-position your tree next to your hole so you can move it as little as possible. This way you don't disturb the root ball, shock the tree, and possibly cause it to die. Once you've got your tree in position, you're going to dig your hole. You want the hole to be dug 3 times as wide as the root ball and slightly shallower. This way the crown or the bottom of the trunk will be sticking up slightly above the ground and it can breathe. Now that we've dug the hole, let's put the tree in the ground. So very gently you're going to pick up the tree and lower it into the ground, trying not to disturb the root ball again so you don't shock it. Once you've got it in the ground, the next step is to fill in the hole. First you want to fill in the hole halfway, and then you want to water it. The reason being is you want to alleviate air pockets in the soil. That way when the tree settles, it won't slide or tip over or do any of those things. So once you filled it halfway and watered it, you're going to fill it in the rest of the way with dirt or compost mulch combination, whichever you choose. Tamp it down lightly with your foot and water again to remove any excess air pockets. You want to cover the dig site with moss. This way you can keep the soil moist because you want the soil to be moist continuously for the first year after you planted the tree. This way the tree can expand and the soil will be nice and soft so the roots can get themselves established. If these simple steps are followed, you can guarantee a tree's survival. I hope that the instructions I have given you have helped you understand the process of tree planting. And remember, by planting more trees, we are ultimately contributing to our own survival.